Okay, so this connection of the analog tuner. Like I said, this one is the video output. It will go into this controller box. It's RVC controller. This is the video that I run from here all the way to the front. And I made my own cable because most of the cable they made that sold the audio was composite. Actually, you want the auxiliary 3.5 millimeter, and this one has to go through, it's called a ground loop, and this extension right here go all the way to the front. So it's connected to the R box. Okay, so you have to look at the pinout. So this one I use right now is channel 2, and the video I have to be channel 2, and the audio I also have to be channel 2. The power is pin 1 and 2, and this one right here, the number 3, has to go to the power sense, so it can turn off this one when it's not in use. So now let's go to the front and look. So this audio right here is from the back, go all the way to the front, and I also put another ground loop noise to make sure that there's no noise. And this yellow one here, the video, is actually the video yellow from the back. We go to the front. So if you look here, that's the AV output. So the video go in here, go to the back. Now these two are analog from that AV audio, but I don't use it because I already use the USB audio and microphone here. So actually these two I don't need. USB hub. You need a lot of power and connection. So this box right here only have 2 USB ports. Some other boxes they have like 5 or 4. So the more USB port you have, the better. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to put this touchscreen onto this 2006 Audi AAL screen. So we fish through here, and we can tie the USB to this one and then pull it up. Okay, so we're going to pull it up. Now we're up here, so it's pretty good. Clean the surface first before we place this. So we can place the touchscreen. They have the glue in the back here already on the circumference. So we just place it on here and it will stick really well. So bend this one over, and I use the bag that come with it. So it's actually the anti-static, so I'm going to use that. That's it. Now I'm going to put the microphone through there also. So for this 2006 Audi AAL, make sure you turn this one completely off so it won't retract. So I have a video on how to disable that, so it's constantly on now, especially if we put the touch screen on. Okay, so this is the microphone I got from the kids' headphones. I think it was an old $10. Headphone and microphone, earbuds together. And I just took the microphone out and soldered the wire into this little wire here with a cable, and it become a really nice microphone. Try these out. Some of these broke because it's pretty tight in there. It does have a gap because the thickness. But I'm going to put a nice tip over it. If you don't want this, you have to use it.
Who do you want to send it to?
For Android TV box 6.01 and up, you need the capacitive touchscreen.ko called hid-multitouch.ko. So I put it into my flash drive and copy to the download of the Android box. So it depends on which Android box you use. The copy and paste is pretty much the same. So when you already copy it into the download folder of the internal SD card, you need to execute the module loader, which you need to download. I will show you the link. And all you need to do is execute it and direct it to the file and click save, and it will automatically load it every single time you boot up. And now your touchscreen should work, the capacitive one. This is the zbox, whatever we bought, and we're going to plug it into the USB. Okay, so with the mouse, we're going to open the app and look for zbox. So they said the zbox is not found because we didn't plug it in yet. So we're going to plug it in now. So we're going to go to setting, so we can record the key code. So if you're going to use one of these instead of the touch screen, you can use this one to learn. So ASR, so we're going to use A. Okay, so we're going to do A, so record it. Home, we're going to put H is home. So let's click home and H again. So play and pause, we're going to use P. Enter, we're going to use enter. So next one, we're going to use the plus, and then previous, we're going to use minus, and then left, we're going to use the left pad, right, we're going to use right pad, and then up, we're going to use up. Down, we're going to use down. On the bottom here, turn left, turn right, and call we don't need. Back, we're going to hit the back. For the CarPlay setting, we're going to use Audi. Driver position, we're on the left side. Echo cancellation off. Android type, we use Android Auto. And the app setting, we turn it off. So zbox is connecting, but the phone is not found. I don't know which phone this one is, but it is an Android phone. I think it's new. So we're going to plug it in for the Android first and see if it works. And we want to make sure that we have the Android Auto installed in this phone. Okay? Wow. Costco again. Alright, let's try that one. So, this is Google Auto Android. And remember, if you get one with the Bluetooth, you can use it for Carista software or OBD11. If you have that dongle plugged into the car, it becomes native. So now I want to plug in my iPhone. So this one's supposed to support both CarPlay. So after we unplug Android phone, so the phone now is not found. So I'm going to plug in my iPhone. Plug in the iPhone. So now the CarPlay is on. So what you want to do, let's play some Pandora. Open Waze.
Let's take I-880 South Fremont and HOV Lane Milpitas.
So here's the deal. When this one is moving, you may have stutter on, so when they talk, the music will stutter. But we do need a microphone plugged into the unit. If not, they won't take the microphone from the phone itself. We click here, we come back out. Okay, so I'm done. This is all you see. It looks pretty clean. I could have hide all these by using the ignition to turn on the USB, but I'd rather to take it out and plug it back in whenever I want. Call me at my cell phone, please.
Your message to Audrey Lee says call me on my cell phone, please. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Perfect. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Are you okay?
Yeah?
Alright, thanks.
Hello? Okay, bye. Bye.
Guy's not even a wide receiver. Are you kidding me? He doesn't even need the OBJ gloves. Wow!
You may be wondering why the red suit. Well, that's so bad guys can't see me bleed. This guy's got the right idea.
I made a thumbnails. Wow, the surround on this one is really good. You can hear it going from the back to the front. But I put 16 gig of music in here, and I put a playlist. So I got about maybe a few hundred songs in there. But these days, I don't use any of these hard drive and stuff. It's obsoleted. I just use Pandora, and actually I shuffle. The Pandora is really good. I can listen to any kind of music. You go to Pandora and you shuffle. So go to the next song, and it will go to a different group. So I play Today Hits Radio, Agnes, Techno Radio, Club Dance, 80s, 70s. They will randomly play all, so I'll never get bored. Alright, that's it. It's a beautiful unit. It's a perfect system. It does work with Android phone and also iPhone, so the best of two worlds. Forget Windows.